In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Business Profile ID. Whether you're setting up new integrations or managing your business's online presence, knowing this ID can be incredibly useful. Firstly, start by opening your web browser and navigating to business.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to look towards the upper right-hand corner to find the Sign In button. This part is crucial because in order to access your business profile, you need to sign in with the email associated with your business. If you've previously logged in before, you'll be taken directly to your business page without any extra steps. If you're not automatically redirected, there's an alternative approach you can take. Simply go to Google search and type in either your business name or My Business. This should pull up your business profile, giving you quick access to make further changes. Now that you're on your business page, direct your attention to the top right corner again. Here you'll find a menu icon. It looks like three vertically stacked dots. This is where you'll find the settings for your business profile. Click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there select Business Profile Settings. With your business profile settings open, you'll find yourself closer to the finish line. Look for the option marked Advanced Settings and give it a click. This will bring up additional information related to your business profile. As you navigate through these settings, you'll come across the section labeled Business Profile ID. Here you'll see a string of random numbers. This, my friends, is your business profile ID. Now you might be wondering what to do next. If you need to store this ID for future use or perhaps share it for an API integration, there's a handy option for you. Right next to your business profile ID, you'll find a copy icon. Clicking it will allow you to copy these numbers directly to your clipboard for easy pasting into any document or application you might be using. And there you have it, a straightforward way to find and manage your Google Business Profile ID. Keeping track of this information can help streamline your business operations, making integrations and profile management easier than ever before. I hope you found this guide useful and clear. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful content like this.